Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel and welcome to this video. In this video, I will be teaching you something really interesting that you people have requested for, and that is how you can make a website using Elementor, and I will teach you this in only less than 8 minutes. Okay, so let's jump into details. Before starting these details, I request you all that do subscribe to my channel, share these videos with your friends and family. Okay, so that you people can see these videos in future and learn a lot from here. Okay, so without wasting more time, let's jump into the details. So this is our WordPress dashboard, and here is the details of our website. Okay, so let's see here and go in plugins and installed plugins. Click onto this icon and it's just opening up, and our plugins are installed. Select all of them. Okay, select here and select all of them and deactivate and apply this. This is being done. Let it be finished. Okay, so we have selected, and now select them and delete, because we previously deactivated them, did not delete. So these are deleted. You can see no plugins are currently available. It was written. So all are deleted. Let's go into appearance and then themes, and here we are on themes. Now click on to add new, and now we will add a new theme. You can choose any from here. Okay, there is no limit or restriction. You can choose any from here. Okay, there are many, they are free and other as well, but I will write and find for myself. I will go with Astra. You can also install. This is a good one. Okay, so I'm just installing. This might take some time, but it's done. And now activate this, and I activated this for myself. I like this and I highly recommend you. It is free actually. You can go and get it. Let's visit site so that we can check. So here the site is empty. There's nothing. Okay, we have selected a theme, but there's nothing made. So let's go in plugins and install a plugin right now. Okay, so we are in plugin, and now type here starter templates. Okay, and now press enter, and this is loading. Okay, so this one, the first one, starter templates, Elementor, Beaver Builder, Gutenberg, and Breezy templates. Okay, install this one. Using this, you'll be able to use Elementor for making your site in few clicks without doing a lot of effort. So this is installed. Let's activate this. So the plugin is installed, it's ready. Let's go and see their library. Click on to see library icon, and it's opened. And now there you can see there is Elementor, Beaver Builder, Gutenberg, and Breezy. But we will be using Elementor. I recommend. It's easy. There's nothing much difficult in this. Go with this. Okay, so now there are some themes here. Okay, so you can choose according to your niche, according to your topic, according to the site you want to make. Okay, so you can choose according to that. Okay, you can also switch and go to the other themes or other templates which you want. Okay, but I'll be going with Elementor. Let's go to all, and you can also choose category from here, and free as well. You can choose. Go with free if you don't want to pay. I recommend you can get some paid if you have a budget for your website. Okay, so paid are also good ones, but you can get some good as well in free category. So let's just randomly go with the first one, and now we have opened this theme, and you can see some pages which are given. So there are two options: import complete site and import home template only. So we will go with complete site with 5 pages, services, contact and projects, and much more. Let's import these 5 template pages. And now they are asking us give expert, myself, my company, and now go with that. Next, and here give your name, and your email address and submit and start importing. Okay, so this is just importing. It will not take much time. Okay, so skip this, and now it's being imported. Okay, so the process might take time. You need to be patient and calm. Hooray, the website imported successfully. Okay, so now you can visit your site. Let's click on to view site, and this is just opening up, and this is opened. Okay, so here is your site. It's just loading. It has been already imported into your WordPress dashboard. In the pages section, you can see the pages from the template are imported. You can use these pages as a template. You can obviously customize this and change it according to your needs. So let's go and customize, and let me show you how to do this. Okay, so customization is opened. So this is for home page. Okay, so you can change anything from home page that you want. You can edit that, you can change text, change your logo, anything. Let's change this logo. Okay, you can import your, click onto this, remove and change your image. It's really simple. It's just drag and drop and these things. Okay, there's nothing big, so you can customize this anytime. So this is only you had to do for a website. Okay, so let me change footer in front of you live. Okay, so go to edit, go here, and there is text. You can edit your text and add your company name or your website name actually here. Okay, and add your phone number and everything that's required. So this is simple. So let me just type and show you tech juice 2. Okay, so you can see it's written here. So publish this, click on to publish, and this is published now. You can this way change everything that is on this site. Okay, this was a template to get us help so that we can easily see this template and make our website. So there was nothing much big in this. You can do this yourself. And one important thing, if you did not understand anything from this video, please watch this again. If there are some questions, leave the questions in comment box. Okay, or if you have any other topic in your mind and you want a video, leave in the comment section. I will try my best to help you out in those. We will help you in those problems. Okay, don't worry, leave that in comment section. I hope you like this video. Share with your friends and family. Do subscribe, hit the bell icon, and thank you very much for watching this video.